Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this short video guys, I'm going to guide how to change the time format from 12 hour to 24 hours. As of now, I have 12-hour format in my Windows. So in order to change that, you need to right click on it and click on adjust date and time. And once you see this option in Windows 11, you need to click on change date and time format. And from this drop down menu, you need to look for short date and select the last option. This is the format. You can see here the format is showing up here 9 a.m. to 2:40 p.m. The daytime format, it is 12 hour, both the options, and both the second last and the last options are 24 hours. As you can see, when I select this option, now it has changed, and when I select this option, it has changed to 12 hours. So this is very easy guys, and if I'm not able to see this option like this, additionally you can open the control panel, select large icons here by the category wise like this. Now look for date and time here, and let's click on this option, change time zone, change date and time. Short time, so it has changed. Now you can see, now when I click on this option, it has changed now, and when I click on this option, it has changed down. So this is the two steps to change the time format from 12 hours to 24 hours on Windows 11. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.